In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to Google Forms. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can ensure that only the right people can fill out your form, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is your go-to place for all Google applications, so if you're not already familiar, Google Drive will be our starting point for configuring our forms access permissions. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the left side of the screen for the Apps section. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of Google apps that are available for use. Among them, look for Forms. Selecting Forms will take you to a page that displays all the forms you've created or those that have been shared with you. Now click the form for which you want to restrict access. If you're not sure which one to choose, don't worry, you can always come back and modify settings for other forms later. Having selected your form, direct yourself to the top right corner and locate the settings icon resembling a small gear. Give that icon a click. Under the settings menu, find the responses section. This feature is where most of the magic happens in terms of controlling who can submit entries. Change the settings here to limit responses to just one per person, which can help manage the frequency and authenticity of the responses you receive. Next, switch back to the Questions tab. The tab allows you to formulate, arrange, and edit the questions you want to ask in your Google form. Here, you'll want to locate the question that asks for the respondent's email address, a crucial step for restricting access since the email field is key to verification. Next to the email question, click the 3 vertical dots for more options. Within this menu, you'll find an option called Response Validation. What this does is apply specific rules to responses, ensuring that only inputs that meet your criteria are accepted. Choose regular expression in the response validation settings, and then select matches as the type of match you want to enforce. Here's where you can specify exactly which email domains or formats are acceptable, thereby restricting form access further. This is particularly handy if you're aiming for responses from only certain organizations or individuals possessing specific email types. To ensure you've set it up correctly, use the email field again to apply these criteria. Once everything is set up, it's a good idea to share the form's link with a test group to ensure the restrictions are working as intended. And that's it, you've now successfully restricted access to your Google form, ensuring only the right people can submit their responses. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building.